Get on your feet, these sights to see. Rolling hills or city streets, ocean to ocean and all in between. It's out there just waiting on you and me. Take it in, we got no plans. Good things come to those who can. Live moment to moment and all in between. It's out there just waiting on you and me. So look alive, 'cause while I was waiting for you, paradise is on the other side of.
I tried to sit down and write out these vows numerous times, but the truth is, they were difficult to write. Not because I couldn't think of the words to say, but because everything I wrote down regarding how I feel about you, you already know. How you teach me how to be more empathetic every single day, because you know it's not my first cognitive response. When you sing Roses by Outkast in the car with me, and when you make me laugh on days that aren't so bright.
We'll make a home out on the road. We'll walk in and find us. We'll make our way.
But life is not all about mountaintops. It's the walking in between the valleys that make our life, the cups of coffee that we share in the morning, the new paths we find when we take Ginny on walks after work, and the many cones of ice cream we devour when I tell you I have to have something sweet after every meal. This life that we're building isn't ordinary or mundane. We make our days count, and we do it as a team because we're better together.
Kenzie, you are the love of my life and my best friend. When we first met over a decade ago, I had no idea what our relationship would turn into. But as cliche as it sounds, I knew we were meant to be together. As long as I can remember, I've always dreamt of having a nice little home, a dog, and a beautiful wife. And today, I get the final piece of that dream.
You're right.
I can't wait to spend the rest of my life taking you fishing, smothering our pets with you, drinking coffee each morning as we share breakfast, watching all your favorite movies over and over, creating the life we want, and just enjoying each other's company. Now let's thoroughly enjoy this day because we've earned it.
Totally.
Don't forget to pause and take it all in. I love you.